Do you see these amazing AI videos online and think, I wish I could make that, but then you see the price of a monthly subscription and just close the tab? What if I told you there's a way to create those exact same videos using the exact same powerful AI tools without being locked into a scary monthly bill? It's true, and today, I'm going to show you how the FlexClip credit system is the secret weapon for budget-friendly creators. By the end of this video, you will know what FlexClip credits are and how the pay-as-you-go system works, the core benefits, total cost control, and no subscription anxiety. Who this is really for? Hint, it's probably you. My top tips for getting started, including how to estimate your credit needs, how to create your first AI video using your credits. It's simpler than you think, so let's dive in. Section 1. What are FlexClip credits? So, let's start with the basics. I want you to think of an arcade. Instead of paying a cover charge to get in, you buy a pack of tokens. You then use those tokens only on the games you actually want to play. On FlexClip, the games are their premium features, especially the cool AI ones. This includes things like generating an AI video script from a simple idea, creating custom AI images just by typing a description, using AI voiceovers in different languages and voices, accessing millions of premium stock videos, photos, and music. Every time you use one of these powerful features, it uses a small number of credits from your balance. The best part? You can use them today, next week, or next month. Your credits are good for 365 days or 1 year from the date of purchase. Section 2. The core benefits. Why you'll love this. Now, why is this such a game changer? Let's talk about the 3 biggest benefits. First benefit, total cost control. This is the number 1 reason. With a monthly subscription, you pay a fee every single month, even if you don't make a single video. Life gets busy. With credits, you only pay for what you actually create. If you take a month off, your money doesn't vanish. It's the ultimate way to stay on budget. Tip: if you're not sure how many credits to buy, start with the smallest pack for your first project. You'll quickly get a feel for how many credits you use per video, and you can always buy more later. Second benefit, no commitment and no surprise bills. Be honest, how many subscriptions have you forgotten about? With a one-time credit purchase, there is no auto-renewal. You buy a pack, and that's it. No sneaky charges on your card next month. You are in complete control, which is a huge relief. Third benefit, perfect for project-based creators. You don't need to be a full-time YouTuber to need a great video. Maybe you're making a birthday tribute, a quick promo for your small business, or a motivational clip for your social media. You don't need unlimited power. You just need enough for that one project. Credits are your fuel for those specific, high-impact videos. Section 3. Who is this really for? A reality check. Now, let's be totally honest. The credit system isn't for everyone. If you're running an agency or publishing videos daily, a monthly plan is probably better for you. But for the rest of us, this is the perfect solution. I'm talking about solopreneurs, small business owners, hobbyists, and anyone who's ever thought, I'd love to try making videos, but I don't want another monthly bill. This is for you. It completely lowers the barrier to entry and lets you create professional, AI-powered content entirely on your own terms. Section 4. Getting started. A beginner's first steps. So you're sold on the idea. What now? Let me walk you through the simple first steps. First, head to FlexClip.com and create a free account. You don't need credits to start poking around. Second, use a chatbot to assist you in developing your description for AI-generated images, videos, or scripts. Choose from ChatGPT, Google Gemini, DeepSeek, Microsoft Copilot, and the list goes on. And most are free to use. Third, when you're ready, go to the pricing page and choose a one-time credit plan that fits your budget. I recommend the 300 credit or 800 credit pack for your first time. Fourth, dive into the AI tools. Click AI Video Generator. Click Generate AI Video Now. And in the left column, click Text to Video. A link to this page is in the description below. Next, select your model. I will select Pro. In the prompt box, click Inspire Me or type in a description. Now select your ratio. I recommend 16:9 for high definition. Next, select duration, 5 or 10 seconds. AISFX. I would keep this turned off for now. Before you click Generate, note the number of credits that will be deducted from your balance. When you are ready, click Generate. Tip: keep an eye on the credit cost before you generate anything. This helps you stay aware of your spending and avoid surprises. And after a few moments, we have our AI-generated video. Conclusion and recap. All right, let's quickly recap everything you've learned. You now know how to use FlexClip credits to take total control of your costs and only pay for what you use. Create with zero subscription anxiety and no monthly commitment. Access powerful AI features like text-to-image and text-to-video. Get started smartly by planning your video and estimating your credit needs. So if you're ready to finally create those AI videos you've been dreaming about, without the burden of a monthly fee, head to FlexClip.com and check out their one-time credit plans. Thanks for watching my video. If this video saved you from subscription stress, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips that make tech less intimidating. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.